Aries, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 25 to 31, 2024. So this is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 30% discount hanggang March 31, 2024. So you can book for a reading. Meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Okay, let's see, Aries. What's coming to you this week? For Aries. Spiritual maintenance. Be your own caretaker. Yes. So, maaring mas magiging connected kayo sa inyong spirituality, sa inyong faith, sa inyong paniniwala, sa inyong belief system, ano man yung religion na fina-follow ninyo. I feel like you're going to be more connected to yourself, to the divine, to God, to the source. Let's see what else. You also have Kangaroo, courage. You are being tested, have faith, and stand in your truth. Ayan. Yung iba sa inyo maaring merong challenges, na tinetest ang iyong faith, ang iyong paniniwala sa Diyos, anumang religion na fina-follow ninyo. Kumbaga meron ka na nung lakas ng loob na yan, It's already within you. So tinetest lang talaga kung gaano ka nananalig at nananampalataya. Let's see what else. Standing in your truth. So maaring meron kang paninindigan, na paniniwala or meron kang paninindigan na sarili mong perception sa buhay, sarili mong belief system, or maaring meron ka ring paninindigan na desisyon mo, ngayong April, ngayong week na to. You are the light. It is safe to step fully into your light. Wow, may pagka-spiritual for you, Aries, ang week na to, So I think there's a lot of clarity, lalo na kung may mga bagay na gumugulo sa isip mo, mga bagay na malabo, confusing for you. So let's see, ano tong area of your life na magkakaroon ka ng clarity? 8th house. Endings and new beginnings. So maaring iba sa inyo, merong kailangang mag-end na situation. This can be a job, career, relationship. Kasi rebirth din to So maaring meron kayong, maliliwanagan na kayo kung ano yung kailangan yung tapusin at kailangan yung simulan. And 8th house is also about other people's money. So maaring iba sa inyo gustong mag-business, mag-invest, So ngayon, maliliwanagan na kayo ano yung investment na papasukin nyo kung kayo ba talaga ay sigurado na. Okay? So let's see your overall energy for this week. Okay, diba? You have the strength, energy ng Leo. And this is also symbolizes courage. So whatever you are going through right now, Aries, meron kang lakas ng loob na mapagdaanan yan, malagpasan yan, So don't you worry. You also have the Tower. Something has to change, Ito kasi yung change na to is medyo, medyo mahirap, medyo challenging, Maaring merong mga bagay sa buhay mo na matagal nang nandyan, matagal nang nakapwesto, nakatayo. And then, kailangang magguho or gumuho para magsimula muli, Para siyang isang building na matanda na, Kumbaga matagal na yung building na yon, more than 50 years na condemned na yung building na yon, and hindi na siya safe, no, para magstay yung building na yon. So, kailangan na siyang i-demolish para matayuan ng bago. Parang ganon, no? Ganon yung analogy dito. So, maaring iba sa inyo, may kailangang magbago. No? You are going to a transition na mangangailangan ng lakas ng loob mo. Kasi may mga bagay na binild ka, no? Pwedeng business or career, pero you feel like it's time to change, no? Wow, ang ganda naman nito. This is success. Okay? So, para tong rainbow after the rain. Ayan. Kung meron mang mga challenging situation sa buhay mo, ngayong week na to, mapagtatagumpayan mo yan kasi the Six of Wands is about victory. Oo, and success. Minsan kasi, akala natin yung mga nangyayaring problema, challenges sa buhay natin is, parang sumpa or whatever, no, na hindi maganda. But it's actually a way of us to learn, no, para matuto, para part ng experiences natin yan. Okay? Let's see your message or energy for your money, career, finances. Yung iba sa inyo, pagbabago ng career. You have the Death card. Transition. Oh my God, you have the World. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring career or trabaho sa ibang bansa, nag-end contract, no? Tapos, iniisip nyo kung ano na yung gagawin nyo next. Magninegosyo ba kayo or magsisimula kayo ng bagong career? Parang feeling nyo gumuho yung mundo nyo dahil may natapos, no? Pero it's just the beginning. Oh, you have the Moon. Marami sa inyo nag-aalala, no, sa situation nyo ngayon, sa career, sa business. Itong natatapos na to. You have the Seven of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo, confused. Hindi nyo alam kung saan na kayo papunta. Hindi nyo alam kung ano yung best na opportunity for you. Maraming options available sa inyo. Yun nga lang yung iba, nalilito, no? You are meant to be successful. Okay? So, kaya siguro yung iba sa inyo may kailangan mag-end na situation sa trabaho, career, or business is because hindi ka nagiging successful dyan. Kumbaga, meron ka pang ikasa-successful. Ayan. And I feel like anytime soon you will feel relaxed with your finances. Parang keep it cool, no? Huwag ka masyadong magpa-stress sa nangyayari. Just go with the flow. At kung ano man yung alam mong kaya mong kontrolin sa situation mo ngayon, do it. Pero anything na beyond your control, surrender. Okay? Let's see your your love life. Okay, love life. Page of Wands. You have the Two of Cups. Oh, yung iba sa inyo, lumalove life. Aries. Oh, Ten of Wands. So, some of you, maaring nagsisimulang pumasok sa isang relationship, no? Or yung iba naman, may leveling up ng relationship. So, kung you are already in a relationship right now, I see marriage, I see a long-term commitment, no? So, I feel like ready na kayo to handle yung mga responsibilities pagdating sa isang relasyon, lalo na if this is marriage, no? Kumbaga, napaghandaan nyo na yan. Yung iba naman sa inyo, meron kayong opportunity to travel with your person. Yung iba, maaring may mga plans na kayo of having your own house, having your own home, no? May plano na kayo na magsama together. Iba sa inyo, nahanap nyo na ang inyong soulmate. Yung iba, bago, no? May attraction, and you are very optimistic in this relationship. Very positive yung energy ng inyong relationship right now, Aries. I think itong mga challenges na maaring pagdaanan ninyo ay may kinalaman sa inyong career, business, finances, na kailangan nyo ring paghandaan, no? And of course, connect to your instinct, to your intuition. Maging matibay yung pananampalataya mo sa Diyos kasi talagang ililid ka kung saan ka man mapapabuti. And of course, bigyan mo raw ng time ang sarili mo. Pamper yourself. Self-care is a necessity, not a luxury. Yes, self-care, self-love. Speak up if you avoid conflict to keep the peace, you start a war inside yourself. Yes. So, kung may mga issue ka or may concern na kailangan mong erase sa career, sa relationship, kailangan i-open up mo yan, no? Para hindi yan maipon at bigla na lang sasabog, 'di ba? Oo. So, communication is the key. So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.